My nectar is asleep, and the combo went back to New York. The Jude.
Hello there, Fate Bookers. My name's Peter Rockefeller. This is my Fate Book audition. Let's see a little bit about myself. I like playing a good game of chess, reading a good book every now and then. I also really appreciate my family and my friends. I have a lot of fun cycling through the city and eating healthy. I also enjoy long walks.
The piano has been drinking, not me, not me, not me, not me.